Hello guys, so today we're going to see how to set up and install the ASP.NET Core Identity. So what is the ASP.NET Identity? So as you come up with a lot of time with MVC projects, so this is which is helps to you to do user to authenticate and authorize your applications. So makes your application more secure. So let's go directly and do it. Just to go and do some research. So yes, before that I can give you some short brief. So if you see here, so whenever the users request to the server, there is communication between to the particular user to the server. We need a particular accounts to access it. As we know, like lot of application plays user based roles, right? So you want to store some information and you want to retrieve from the server secure, so that time, or you want to access some particular page, then you need some account to track it, so that time it will helps. So basically a client computer where user register first time to our application, then based on that email or username and the password, they will log in and they can able to get their data. So that is the logics which is come under the identity. Okay, cool. So this session we're going to see how to set up, just install and set up the identity. So we are not going to write any kind of code. Let's go and check how the pre scaffolding methods to achieve the setup of ASP identity. Okay, so this is the blazor project which I have. So just right click here and go to the add. Here you choose the new scaffolded items. Okay, so here you choose identity and choose the identity here. So whatever the version which latest in your Visual Studio, you can just choose it. So once you select add, so it will take some time to install where necessary files for set up the identity. So this may take some while. So I'll just stop the recording and once installed I'll be back. Okay, so once installed, it will open you this window. So here just choose override all the files. Let keep this all the file, because as you are doing in a scratch, and the data context, if you have any class file you can choose it, otherwise just go and add that. So it asks me the file name. Okay, you can call some meaningful name. So I call this identity context. Okay, identity app context. So you can call it some good name. Okay, then proceed add. Okay, so it is extracting all the files in your project. So okay, so it extracted all the necessary files here. So it's created one more folder called areas. Under that we have identity. So under the identity we have a identity class and the pages, associate pages, like we choose, right? So whatever the pages. So we created the identity app context, right? So which we choose it, so it will be extractor is the name. Okay, so it's create you the default model builder. Okay, so this is all good. And my application, so the default connection string here is which is added as a local DB. So let's try to go and do the same. So database name is blazor app.net. So now what we're going to do is, let's go and create all the necessary tables in the database. So for that, just go to the package manager console. Okay, so let's go here and just add the migration. So this is part of entity framework migrations, add migration. Just type add hyphen migration. So then it will ask for the value. So we gave, okay, so blazor identity. Okay, so this migration is for blazor identity. So this will create us some migration scripts. Okay, so it's created me the necessary tables here. So then let's go and do update in the database by passing the command update hyphen database. Okay, so this will be built and yeah, it succeeded. So now let's go and try to explore the SQL server. Okay, so just expand the local DB server. Sorry, my system is a bit slow. Okay, so now here you can expand database. So my database is here, and let's go and expand the tables. So even migration also completed. Okay, so my necessary tables, it will be added in here. Okay, so let's wait for adding those tables. So in the next session I will tell you like what we're going to do is, next section we're going to try to do set up the cookie authentication, which is which helps us to do page allow to authenticate our application. Plus another thing is we going to do authorization in a coming session. Hopefully we'll just refresh on, okay. So that's our future plan. So stay tuned my channel as well, so that you will get the complete series of blazor. So you can look at the playlist as well, blazor playlist there in my channel. Okay, okay, so I can able to see my tables related for ASP.NET. So it will be start from the ASP.NET users and user tokens, user roles and login. So we're going to explore in the next coming videos. Stay tuned my channel and please subscribe my channel, because most user is watching and you are not subscribed my channel. So this case whatever my uploaded videos, it's not reaching you. So please do subscribe, and also I like to reach the wider audience. So if you really like my channel, please do subscribe. So it will help me to get a better and better to reach more audience, and it helps me to improve as well to put more videos. Thank you.